Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. I'm here on the shorter time frame chart. Maybe we can discuss the larger time frame later today. We still have not seen a break above resistance. I find it very interesting that the price so far hasn't been able to break above this 50% retracement level. Also, while Bitcoin got rejected at its 61.8 retracement. So Ethereum got rejected at the 50% retracement. Different wave counts they are, right? Bitcoin is likely in a different structure than Ethereum, best I can tell. They are not aligned at the moment, which is interesting. So for now, resistance remains not broken. As I said in the video updates over the last few days, it would require a break above $4,215 for a first indication we've bottomed. That's not full confirmation. So far, Ethereum and Ethereum dominance are holding resistance. Now, I shared with you guys yesterday already that we are breaking above this trend line here, first trend line. That's, someone said, okay, what does it mean? It just means watch it. I mean, it means like something to watch, something to consider, because once Ethereum dominance has bottomed, I think Ethereum will also start to move up, yeah? And we have a break above the first resistance here on ETH dominance. Now, that doesn't change anything. It's just break above a trend line. We have not broken above Fibonacci resistance yet, and we don't have a 5-wave move up yet, okay? But overall, this is interesting because we start to... It's holding up quite well, let's say it like that. It's holding up quite well, despite Bitcoin dominance climbing as well. So it means Ethereum dominance going up a bit, not really in major ways. That's going up in a little bit, while actually Bitcoin dominance has also gone up a bit, okay? That's interesting. So it means the, let's say, predicted weakness of altcoins in October that might be coming up is kind of, maybe in the early stages. Why? I don't know. It always happens in October, right? Bitcoin dominance going up. So altcoin dominance typically going down. So anyway, what we see here is we're still holding below Fibonacci resistance, and that's the next resistance level to watch there at 13.2%. 50% retracement, and then this trend line, probably even more important. But I have to say, once we start the break above 13.2% and there's a decisive break, this could really indicate we've bottomed. So that's something to keep watching. I mean, Ethereum-wise, I'm just watching here how how we behave. It is kind of aligned with Bitcoin and not aligned, if that makes sense. So Bitcoin could get a C wave down. Ethereum could get a 5th wave down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It is kind of aligned, just kind of different structures, because on the Bitcoin chart, this would be a C wave down. Here, it's likely a 5th wave. And a break above resistance alone won't be enough to confirm that wave 4 has bottomed. But it is a first step. It's a crucial first step. For further confirmation that we really bottomed, I need to see a 5-wave move up. Yeah? Someone asked us yesterday in the community chat, how to re-enter positions, for example, with or enter positions or re-enter from an Elliott wave point of view for Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum, normally what people do, and again, a lot of people focus on 1-2 setups only, but if this is a wave 4 pullback, which it was and is maybe still, people tend to accumulate, at least that's best practice, right? Again, different for everybody. But people tend to accumulate like a triangle position sizing in a support zone. So we entered support already. So maybe 1 or 2 positions are already in. Yeah. Small maybe, because obviously this is catching the falling knife, but you get a good average price. When the price then moves up, you can just lean back, relax, see if the price gets a 5-wave move up. If it does, great. There's no need to do anything in this move up normally, until we actually get 5 waves. Then this would be probably wave 1 of the next move up. And then the pullback, again, there would be a support zone. Yeah. And again, that could be used for scaling in or scaling up a trade, for example. Yeah. Just on a smaller degree. And that allows you to be larger in your position size because your stop would be the low here. Yeah. But we're not there yet. So we don't have that 1-2 setup. But whether you are interested in accumulating in the larger pullback or not, that is obviously a personal decision. Some people take the heat, some people don't. But that's typically how it goes. at least from an Elliott wave point of view. I mean, there are hundreds of ways how you can trade. This Elliott wave is not a trading system, but it gives you the levels, and pullback trading often works quite well with Elliott wave. But you need to have patience. And if you trade every small move here, you get chopped up. That's why this is a sideways range, and trading sideways ranges, you leave it to bots or so, yeah. I mean, I made some video tutorials about trading bots here on this channel a few days ago because a lot of you asked for it. Especially in ranges, they can be quite useful. So anyway, I'll keep you updated about this. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you want to get additional updates on Ethereum, get additional updates and live charts about Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum dominance, Ethereum long-term charts and everything, feel free to join us as a gold member. There's a link in the comment section with a voucher code, 50% discount for the first month if you want to check it out. Thanks so much. I wish you a great day. Bye-bye.